Hello guys, I'm going to teach you the basic move which is must in Magic if you want to learn in card tricks. So that is known as the double lift. So it is a basic move where you lift two cards together. So you can see this is the king, then you can just tell that I'm just placing it towards the bottom and then tell them to stamp your fingers. It jumps to the top. You can do it like this also. First you can again tell them if this is a 10, when I just snap it, it changes to another card. So this is the double lift. So how to do it? It's simple, but you need to practice this. So how to do the double lift? First you need to learn the mechanics grip. The mechanics grip, what you have to do is first hold it like this, then like this, then like this. Okay, two fingers here, one finger here and one finger here, and then you have to just cover this part by your thumb. Okay, just hold it like this, and then now you can just, this is modified mechanics grip, like this. Take your pinky towards here. Now how to do the double lift? Now just talking with the spectator, just distract them and just slide these cards over and just take the break under two cards. Now you have a break. This is called a pinky break. So you need to practice the pinky break also, as it is important in many moves. So this is a pinky break. Now what you have to do is take your index finger, or I use both my middle and index finger, but I recommend you the index finger. So just slide it with the two cards and just flip it over. Okay, I've hold it here. Okay, now then if you show them the card, then you need to reverse it. Oh sorry, sometimes I left triple cards. So just glide it, take a break and just lift two cards together. Okay, these are the two cards you can see, but you need to learn the angling of the pinky break. So how to do this? You need to hold it in the upper angle of the spectator. You have to show it below their eyes so that they could not see this break. Now the double lift, you have to take it, glide it towards here and then just place it here and keep the thumb when we have to reverse the cards, and then again you can just from here you can just have the pinky again back towards it. So there's one more way to do this. Again, take the pinky break and then hold the deck in this position and then just glide index finger here. You can just do it like this. Okay, this is the next double lift. Okay, this is another version of it, but I recommend you this one. This is the simplest one, and if you don't like that thumb method, you can just do it, keep it, and again another break, again another break. So this is the double lift, guys. Practice this. I think you should check the other tutorial for the double lift. So check, so just type double lift, you will get other double lifts tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.